Merry Christmas Eve. Today is the day before Christmas Eve and I am so excited and I'm just in a really good mood, so I love that. I love when I wake up in a good mood, and I woke up really early this morning, or at least it's early for me. I got up at like 7:30. Patrick is golfing today. He got the day off of work and I really don't have a lot to do for work today, so I am going to do it from here. I've actually already gotten a few things for work done. Yeah, so he's golfing today and he had to get up at like 7:30, so I just went ahead and got up with him. I had to export a video and send it into a brand for approval, and hopefully that can get uploaded today. So yeah, I've already gotten that accomplished. I had to make a couple phone calls for work, and I actually placed a photo order for CVS for a gift for Patrick. And then now I'm about to wrap the rest of my gifts. So I think I'm gonna go run over to CVS and pick up that photo order. I'm in like lounge and like sweatpants, which I normally don't go out of the house in like lounge stuff, but I think I'm going to, because CVS is literally like 30 seconds from my house, and I might stop by Dunkin'. Just cause like, I don't know, whenever I have to go out in the morning, I'm like, why not go by Dunkin', you know? I'm excited for the day. I'm excited for the day. I need to start getting up this early every single day because I just feel good. Like, it's only 10 o'clock in the morning and I already have gotten so much done. So I love that. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick up that photo order, go to Dunkin', come home, finish wrapping my gifts, and then I'll probably go ahead and get ready for the day just because I need to be ready anyways, and then handle a couple more work things. We just have a lot going on. So anyways, let's go. Yes. Thank you.
We ran out of medium cups, so we just...
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. You too. Alright, so I am back from the adventure of going to CVS, and I had to get gas, and I went to Dunkin', and I got a gingerbread latte hot because it is so cold today, and it's actually really good. So if you guys saw one of my Vlogmas videos, me and my mom tasted like some different holiday drinks from Dunkin' and Starbucks. We ordered like a version of the gingerbread latte, sort of, and we hated it, but the hot, just like regular how they make it, is really good. Also, I'm wearing these glasses. These you guys will see in an upcoming sponsored video, but they are new prescription glasses. I haven't gotten, I think the last time I got new prescription glasses is a couple years ago, and I recently went to the eye doctor and updated my prescription. Anyways, I got these in the mail yesterday, and so I am trying them out today, and they, like, this is the best I've ever been able to see for sure, but I guess it was a stronger change than they told me. I don't know, because when I first put these on, I was like, whoa, like it took me a minute to like adjust to them, and I thought they were wrong. I was kind of nervous, but now like I've had them on for a while and my eyes are adjusted and these are great. But then when if I take them off, my, like, it literally feels like I'm cross-eyed. Like, and I'm not exaggerating. So I just wanted to ask you guys, like, it's just weird. Is this normal for like my prescription to change? Like, is it normal for me to feel like that, for my eyes to have to adjust? Am I really blinder than I think? Like, I don't know, but like right now, like I literally feel cross-eyed. I just wanted to ask you guys that because, you know, if 1,000 people watch this video, like at least a couple of you might have some insight on that situation. So let me know if you do. And I'm still using my old prescription and contacts because I have 2 like pairs of contacts left. I wear monthlies. Is this gonna hurt my eyes? I don't know. Anyways, while I was at CVS, I did pick up a couple other things because you guys know how I am. I saw these by Neutrogena. They're the Hydro Boost cleansing towelettes. They're basically just their makeup removing towelettes, but they're supposed to boost your hydration on your skin. So yeah, I wanted to try these out. Like, my heat is just kicking, y'all. I'm sorry if you can hear that. Well, I know you can hear it, but I'm sorry. I haven't tried these before, and my skin gets really dry in the winter time, so I thought I would just give them a try. They looked interesting. And then I got a new shampoo and conditioner, which I don't necessarily need, but I've been wanting to like try out different shampoo and conditioners, and these like just straight up caught my eye. Like, I was walking by and I was like, that looks like honey and it looks nice. It's called Honey Treasures by Garnier Fructis. It's the Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner. So it does have alcohol in it, and it has a few sulfates, which means I'll probably just have to keep it like down here on my hair. I don't know. I know that's not good for your hair, so I don't know, we'll see. I just honestly wanted to try them out. If I don't use them, Patrick will. They were literally $4 each. He doesn't care. Like, he loves any shampoo and conditioner as long as it smells nice. So, and I'm sure these smell really good. Yeah. They smell really good. All right, but now I need to wrap some gifts. A lot of the ones I have left to wrap are just like bags. So like this is my mom's gift. It came in today. Her last gift came in today. Is that not the cutest little bag? I loved that from TJ Maxx. This is for my dad and it is in like a cute little tin, but I don't know. It's like, should I wrap this too? A part of me is like, do I want to wrap everything to make it match? Like for instance, this is another one of my mom's gifts and it's cute, but it like doesn't really match necessarily with the rest of my wrapping paper. So it's like, do I wrap the box too? I think I should, but Patrick was like, no. But I'm like, I think I should. I don't know. What do you guys think? I wish you could talk to me through the camera. I have so many questions. All right, I have my tissue paper. I'm so excited about this Christmas. I don't know what it is, but I feel like I'm more excited for this Christmas than I even was last Christmas. I don't know why. I just excited about the gifts that I'm giving people and they're nothing like super spectacular. I feel like honestly I've given more thoughtful gifts in the past, but this year I just feel like we have more gifts for everyone. Like even if it's not like outrageously expensive, we have like little things for them to open. So I don't know, I'm just excited to like have everyone open gifts. And I have a bunch of gifts for Patrick. Like I kind of went overboard, which he says he did too. So I guess we're both just like that, but our budget was like $200 for each other. Couples are like weird about gift giving. So if you guys don't give gifts with your significant other, or if you have a way lesser budget or if you have a way higher budget, you know what, everyone does it differently, so I don't really want to hear anything about that. But yeah, our budget was $200 and then plus our stocking stuff. I probably spent about $240 on him and then his stocking stuff, which was like $50 probably. So yeah, he's getting a great Christmas which I'm excited about. I'm just excited to watch him like open everything. Plus I did the 14-day advent calendar for him, so he's making out good this year. But yesterday I was at the mall with my friend. We like met up. I haven't seen her in a very long time. She lives in Florida. She's home for the holidays and we met up and she had to do some Christmas shopping for her family. So we went in American Eagle and I ended up getting Patrick one more gift. So that set me even more over. But anyways, the reason I'm bringing that up is because now actually I probably spent like $260 on him realistically, because he said last minute that he wanted a frame with a photo of us, like his family, aka me, Patrick, and the dogs, for his new office because he started a new job. If you didn't know, that was mentioned in Vlogmas as well. So how could I say no to that? So I just got this like black frame from Target yesterday and then I printed out some pictures of us that I think he's gonna love. I mean, he's seen these pictures before obviously. So these are our Christmas like family pajama day pictures from this year. So I printed out this one where we're kind of kneeling and then I printed out this one where we're standing up so he can just kind of decide which one he wants. And then I printed out this family photo of us and the dogs for like summertime if he wants to switch it out once the season changes. I think I'm gonna put in this one to start. How cute are we?
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
so I just did my makeup. So right now I just wanted to quickly show you guys how I use the Donna Bella waver. I mentioned to you guys that I would show you how to use this in a vlog, so I'm gonna do it today. I've already filmed something for IGTV and I did include this in my favorites, so you've probably seen it, but just a little short clip here of how I kind of use it. It's very self-explanatory, pretty easy, but I thought I would still show you guys. So I'm not gonna run through all of the products because I went through that in the how I curl my hair video. Today I did add in a little bit of dry shampoo. I just used the Batiste dark brown dry shampoo. But yeah, so this waver is from Donna Bella Hair. Like I said, I've talked about it before. I am a Donna Bella Hair affiliate, so they did send this to me, but that's not sponsored. I do make a small commission on sales with Donna Bella. So if you want to use my code, it's KaylaLove10. If you don't, no worries. And it's just a different look to your hair, and I think it's fun. I don't know, it's just totally different. I haven't done like wavy hair in so long, like full head wavy hair, you know? So what I've been doing is sectioning off my hair. You don't really have to do this, but I just find with the waver, it's kind of just easier. And then just like you would curl your hair, I start from the back, get a pretty big section, just clamp it down, and I hold for kind of a good while. I mean, I don't know, 20-30 seconds maybe, and then move down. So it goes from 170 degrees all the way up to 430, I believe. So that's pretty dang good. And then your hair just kind of looks like this. So really cool. And I just toss it back while I do the rest.
From this Christmas sun, we forgot what you came for.
Now doing the top section, and I just kept the hair I've already done. I just kept it in the back so I don't get confused.
And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything was...
Alright, so this side is now done. As you can see, it's just nice and wavy. And my only tip for this really is just personally for me, because I have tape and hair extensions, I have to be sure to blend them pretty good. So where my real hair, which is right here, meets my extensions, I will just kind of go exactly where that meets and just take the waver over it 1 or 2 more times, especially right here in the front. We just have to make sure that's nice and flat. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much my only tip, really. Now I'm going to do the other side.
Change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on. This Christmas on. From this Christmas on. It's gonna be you and me. Decorate.
Okay, so now I'm done with both sides. I'm gonna do the same thing over here that I told you guys about, just to kind of blend things together, taking little chunks and kind of going over them again. All right, so I think that's good. So right now I'm just waiting for my straightener to heat up, and I will usually just kind of straighten some pieces around, as you guys probably know. Now I'm just going to hairspray it. Like I said, it's just something unique. I feel like a mermaid or something. But yeah, so that is it. Hopefully you guys liked this little tutorial. As mentioned, the hair waver that I used today will be linked in the description box below. And I have a coupon code for you guys to get 10% off of your purchase. Definitely check it out if you're interested, and let me know if you do end up trying it. I would love to know how your hair turns out. I feel like everyone's hair kind of looks just like a little bit different with the waves in it. I love seeing everyone's pictures. It's so fun. But anyways, yeah, hopefully you guys liked this, and I am now going to go upstairs. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do right this second. I need to edit an IGTV video, So maybe I will do that. All right, so it is much later. It is about 6:40 and we are going to Chick-Fil-A. We planned this about a week ago that I wanted to go to Chick-Fil-A for dinner one night to vlog their Christmas lights because one of the Chick-Fil-A's near us has the most incredible lights on their entire building. So it's pretty cool. And then I think we might go see some other lights. We brought the dogs with us because they love to go with us, and I don't know, we just figured we'd take them to see lights like they're our children, I guess.
Because they care.
Yeah, they do care. Patrick's in his Santa hat, and we thought we would get them some grilled nuggets or something from Chick-Fil-A. Anyways, yeah, they're gonna have the best time ever. All right, here's the Chick-Fil-A. Like, they really outdid themselves. We don't deserve them.
This might be the Griswold family Christmas.
Yeah, and they like twinkle. I love them.
Yeah, Clark could never get the twinkle lights to twinkle.
No, they're so cute. Archie, are you excited? Bucky, what are we doing? Chick-fil-A is so fast though. We're already in the drive-thru. Like, this is honestly...
Are we doing the drive-thru?
Yeah. This is honestly one of the better light shows around, which is like sad, but it's really cool. Chick-fil-A.
You see the line back there, and the line all through here. Y'all like the lights? Buck likes the lights.
Bye, Chick-fil-A. It was fun. So this is just a little neighborhood of lights. So you're just supposed to drive through, and each house has like their decorations. Nothing too crazy, but we're going to another lights thing on the 26th.
And that one is very extravagant.
Yeah. Yay. I like the columns. Those are pretty.
All the bush lights over there. Oh, look at them. They're like out there at the fire pit.
That's cool. That would be cool to live here, kind of.
And just be able to do this.
That's cool. They have all the, like the blow up things. Those are cute. I love that Santa. Oh, that's cool.
What?
That's so cool. That one right there.
Oh, yeah.
Like on camera, it looks so good. That one has the Grinch.
And Charlie Brown's Christmas.
Yeah.
This looks really nice.
Oh my gosh.
That's hilarious.
Christmas vacation. Got a competition over here.
That is wild.
Got the projector. The white Christmas lights. That's so cute though. I love that. All right, we just got home. We saw the lights. They were very, very nice. We're gonna watch this movie Holiday. I've been wanting to watch it on Netflix, so I'm making Patrick watch it with me. There's Bucky and Archie's here. That's what we're gonna do. It seems pretty Hallmarkish, but still good. Yeah, and then we're probably gonna go to bed. I'm tired. We just finished Holiday and it was a pretty good movie. I enjoyed it. It's not like, you know, the best acting in the world, but it's like a fun watch. It's like a fun, light-hearted movie to watch. So I would recommend. What are your thoughts?
It's very cheesy. It's like painfully cheesy.
I thought it was still pretty good. Like I said, just for something like kind of cute to watch. I had heard a lot about it, so I wanted to watch it. Anyways, it's about 10:30. I'm probably gonna work a little bit for like an hour or so, and then we're gonna go to bed because we have another long day, of course. Tomorrow being Christmas Eve and then Christmas Day. So exciting. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.